So I drove the Camaro home last night. It's too loud. Like, it's not even that it's too loud, it's just a little too raspy. So we got a catted downpipe. It's currently catless. I'm going to toss this on, see if it makes any difference with the sound. Otherwise, we might have to rethink our exhaust setup. So yeah, we got the catted downpipe on, and while it's still really loud, it's way more controlled. It's a lot less raspy. So just taking it out for a little spirited drive, and you can definitely tell it drones a little bit, but it's not as uncontrolled as before. You know, I saw somebody say that it sounded like wet farts, and I mean, it kind of did on the upshifts, and it's still not perfect. Like I would maybe like to do a resonator. It's a lot better, and I think I'll stick with this for a little while.